Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is C'Aira. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're an old subscriber, welcome back. In today's video, I am hosting a Easter treats / decorate with me. And so in today's collab, which will be in my description box down below, you all can check out anyone that decided to join in on that. So I am going to be making some Easter treats using M&Ms. And so what better way today than to show the mixer that I got for my birthday back in February and go ahead and unbox it and review it. I'm going to be doing it with you all. So let's go ahead and just jump right into this video. Be sure to check out the playlist linked in my description box down below after this video. So since today I'm going to be making some Easter treats, I decided to go ahead and do an unboxing and review for my new mixer that I got for my birthday. So this is the Betry stand mixer. It has a egg whisk, dough hook, and then a flat beater. And it is in my favorite color, red, which matches everything in the house. So this is what comes in here. I literally just got one of these from Temu, which is a egg divider, and comes with a whisk, and then the 3 parts right here. So I'll go ahead and unbox it, and it looks like there is 5 other colors to choose from, such as red, black, gray, teal, and like a tan. So it comes with instructions on how to work this, the parts, and basically gives you the adjusting levels that you're going to need if you're using flour, water, egg whites, and some troubleshooting issues. It also shows you how to use the mixing bowl and some suggested recipes, which is really cool, and how to clean it. Here is the mixer, or I call it like a little whisk because this is what I normally use. Here is the dough hook. I'm sorry, the flat beater. Here's the dough hook. And I guess the egg whisk is already inside. So we'll go ahead and take this stuff out of the bowl. So here's my bowl that came with the mixer. I'm going to keep all of my parts in here once I'm done after baking things. And so on the inside there is the egg whisk, the regular whisk, and then I also got a egg separator. These are known for separating the egg whites from the yolk. I am going to go ahead and show you guys what my mixer looks like. I'm also going to show you guys how to put the bowl on if you choose to buy this mixer. The link for this will be in my description box down below. So how you lock it is you put it in that big hole right there, and then you're going to turn it to the left, and that is how you're going to lock it. In order to put the top down, you use the knob that you see here, and you're going to turn it down. That way you can push it down, and if you turn it up, that just means you want to put it up. Next, I'm going to add the dry ingredients to this bowl right here. So the dry ingredients will be 1 2/3 cup of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt, and then we'll go ahead and get everything going. Alright, so we have our butter, 1 whole stick, which equals half a cup. Put it into the microwave on 25 seconds. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and add on the egg whisk because that's what's going to be. Alright, so half of our butter is melted, half of it is not. We're going to go ahead and pour it in here. And I'm actually going to lower this down. Okay. Alright, so now I'm going to add it in. Okay. So I want to make sure I get all of the butter out of this pan. Okay, so now I'm gonna add in the egg and that cake batter. So the original recipe calls for 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Well, since I am using the cake batter, I'm just only going to add in 1. Go ahead and add half a cup to 1 cup of M&Ms and half a cup of the chocolate chips to your dough. I normally go ahead and fold it in. And so basically what you want to do is get ready to scoop this onto parchment paper, and you are going to use either a large cookie scoop, which is about 3 tablespoons to scoop out 12 cookies, or you can use a medium sized cookie scoop, which you would normally do 1.5 tablespoons for 18 to 20 cookies, and arrange them evenly on the baking sheet. Go ahead and cook these in the oven for 10 minutes if you're doing medium sized, or 13 to 15 minutes if you're doing larger cookies. I hope that you all have enjoyed this video. If you have, give it a thumbs up, and I hope that you all consider subscribing to my channel. As mentioned before, check out the playlist linked in my description box down below to see the other ladies' videos, whether they did some Easter treats or whether they did some Easter decorating with me. Once again, thank you all for watching this video. This is how the cookies are going to turn out. You can also add some of the M&Ms on top if you would like.